If you want to save money on the things you're already buying, watch this video all the way to the end. This is Richard Radke showing you where you can do that. And first of all, since we're talking about saving money, let's go to my deals. And right here, there's over 1 million stores that have discount for the Save On Club. And you go back into the system again, and you look at your infos right there, all your info, all your order history, and your team. And once you start advertising, you'll get, with all your leads, you'll get an email and a phone number. So if you want to follow up, you have all the information right there. And then if you go to webinars, you'll have there's three a week. So on Monday there's one, on Wednesday there's one, and on Friday. And if you're not available at those times, don't worry about it. You won't miss anything. You can watch the replays on YouTube. So then if you go back into the system again, and you go into websites, now they call them websites. I prefer to call them capture pages. Or look at all the capture pages you get, and you can use one or as many as you want. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them to. It's entirely up to you which ones you use. And you go back into the system again, and you look at the training. First of all, you get a short video here, about 10 minutes, gives you some information. Then you got a 90-day blitz. And then here's the compensation plan. Now, it's a lot better to show somebody this than try and explain the compensation plan to somebody. And also here, this is all the places you can get deals. It shows you a list of the stores here. So that's another way you can find out where all the savings are. And did I mention that you can also make money once you get somebody to join the system and they start using it? And I'm also going to put my contact information under the video so you can contact me. And I think that's all I'm going to tell you for this week. And we'll thank you for listening, and we'll talk to you next week. Bye for now.